Hi, I'm Gabrielle Tan, and I'm currently working as a software developer. I never expected myself to pursue this career, but it was one of those things where the stars just aligned, you know? It was satisfying to solve logical problems, and it was nice to create something that helps make people's lives easier. I applied to DigiPen Singapore because I wanted to learn programming, and the institute trains computer science majors from scratch. Though university was intense, having peers who are equally, if not more, passionate about our studies made us push each other in ways I've never felt before. My lecturers were also incredibly dedicated and often went above and beyond. It all paid off. I now not only code in C++, but other languages like JavaScript, TypeScript, React.js, HTML, etc. are all relatively easy for me to pick up because of how well the fundamentals transfer over. I think that's the idea. I may not be the fastest programmer, but my fundamentals are solid and my growth is steady. I'm really thankful that my time at DigiPen Singapore has led me to this path. I've learned to be proficient in a field that I love, made some of the best friends that I've had in my life, and find fulfillment in my work every day. This is what it means to be a DigiPen dragon.